If you have an Nissan Silvia, this is really important because you can be braking your engine because of that. So this is the hydraulic that it's pushing with the camshaft, the valves. And this thing, if you don't change the oil when it's the time and gets dirty inside, it's gonna get air. If you have air inside this, you are losing power and you have a chance that the engine blow up. Why? Because this resistance that the oil is doing, if it's not doing it with the camshaft, it's just hitting and can be breaking a lot of parts. So make sure to bleed this. I will show you the procedure, how you can be bleeding it, and it's really easy to check as well. You just need to go with the engine assembly, removing the top cover and just push it down and see if you have air or not inside. In the case, you will need to disassembly to bleed it proper. So one really good advice will be, please change the oil filter every time that you change the oil of the car, the engine oil, because like this you're gonna be avoiding problems like this. So here you can see the small piece, and what we're gonna be doing now is bleeding. As you can see, this is not moving, this is bleed already. And this one, it's bleed as well. This one is moving. You can see clearly that you have the move. So this, when it's moving with this piece, the problem is because it's moving, instead of opening the valve of the engine, it's absorbing this air. So we want to remove this air now. So what we do is we put it inside this whiskey glass, and with the help of one Allen key, you can see how the bubbles gonna be exiting a little bit. Did you see the bubbles? So now we are removing the air and putting the oil inside. So we do it a few times with the new oil, and once this is done, you can see that it's not, I cannot press it at all. So this one is bleed and ready to put inside. The most important thing is with the oil of the engine, if you have old oil, it's dirty, so cannot be going around and it's getting air. So then is when you start to break pieces like this in the engine. So it's really important to change always the filter of the oil and put new oil to avoid this kind of problems. So we are painting the head of the engine with the color that you choose on Instagram. Hopefully you like the color, how it's getting. And we will put a little bit of black before the clear coat. Like this we will have a special design that sure you're gonna like it. We're gonna make a design with the black. So we will paint little bit some plastic. We will and it's gonna get the crazy design. Gonna be trying a little experiment to see if we like the design. So we put a little bit of paint and we are trying with the shapes. Ma, what con hay? ¿Qué, más o menos? Sí, ¿no?
Deve arrivare a bastare lì? Sapete.
So we have here the result of the head of the engine. As you can see, we painted in the pink that you asked for, and after we add a little bit of design, just make it a little bit dirty, inspired by the Uri's Juice, the engine, that he does a really nice design with his engine. So more or less, this is gonna be looking like this. And after we need to paint the letters, and we will need to decide which color is gonna be looking better. But I really like the result. Looks quite sick. We are running out of time, and I don't know if we're gonna be able to finish the project car or not. The projects sometimes are getting difficult, so not everything is so easy, so pim pam pum pam. So today we're gonna be trying to push as much as possible to close the engine, and after that, we will try also to push with the rest of the car. So hopefully we are getting ahead and we see a little bit of light in the project.
Oh, I'm feeling low again. They shed out to them. They don't wanna let it go. Oh, I'm feeling low again. They shed out to them. They don't wanna let it go. Giving every piece of my soul. You say you don't know how to treat me, no. Giving every piece of my soul. You say you don't know how to treat me, no. Giving every piece of my soul. You say you don't know. Oh, I'm feeling low again. Ain't shit out to them. They don't wanna let it go. Giving every piece of my soul. You say you don't know how to treat me, no. Giving every piece of my soul. You say you don't know how to treat me, no. Giving every piece of my soul. You say you don't know.
Get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound. Hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound. Hitting that stuff till you
So for the brake of the car, this is the result that we achieved with the nice paint that we use it. Inside we have been changing the O-rings of the caliper. So we just buy a reconstruct kit, and you see here what we have been changing inside. This is like the O-ring inside, that it's making sure that it's not leaking the fluid, the brake fluid, and after just some dust preventive thing. So with that change, now we are painting the rear calipers, and the front ones is gonna be looking super good. We are mounting parts of the engine, and as you can see, we're gonna mount the alternator. We have also the steering pump and the turbo. With the turbo we are having an issue. So if you know what is this little gasket, this one is going here between, and in this one it's already broke. So we're gonna be disassembling and most likely welding all the exhaust of the turbo. This is the typical breakdown that has these cars. So let's mount the alternator, the pump, the turbo in the engine, and after we can remove the engine from the start. It's looking quite nice. We mount the water pump also. We make the timing belt and we have everything close. So let's keep assembling and see if we can get ahead with the project. So here we can see the gasket how was starting to break. So that will be a problem in the future for sure. So we are not planning to weld the manifold with the turbo, and the main reason is because this one is stock, and we think that in the future will be nice to put a nice manifold in the car. So for the moment we will go with that. We are lucky that I have been find this special nut. This is going in the formula for turbo, so it's really special and it's holding a lot of temperature. So this one, it's gonna make the job for us. After we were having other options like the Cooper one or these ones, way better than the stock ones. But let's see, because we are super lucky with the good ones. So we're gonna be mounting already the turbo with the Formula 4 ones. So until here the video of today. It's getting quite difficult to finish the project on time, and really I don't know if we're gonna make it or not. It's just a few weeks away from the goal. So we will try to push as much as possible and to film and explain everything that we can. Hopefully you like the content, and if there is anything you would like to see, please leave the comment and subscribe.